She fires out negatively charged silk thread into the positively charged atmosphere. Opposite forces attract, pulling her up, up, and away. Heading high, riding the wind, even cruising the jet stream, she can travel for thousands of miles. By ballooning, they've colonized every corner of the Earth. At the mercy of the wind, she has no control over where she touches down. But weighing less than a grain of sand, she doesn't even break the surface. She just deploys her magical silk once more and kite surfs to safety. A new place she can call home.